Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a haul. It has been quite some time since I last did a haul on my YouTube channel, but today I'm going to unbox the items that I got from Chanel and Hermes when I was in Oslo last time. So yeah, let's get into this video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Marlene and I do videos and vlogs about luxury fashion, handbags and shoes. So if that's something you like, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. So as I told you, I was recently in Oslo and there I managed to get something from Chanel and Hermes and also Dior Beauty. And if you saw my vlog, you might know that Chanel has recently opened in Oslo. I visited the store on the official opening day. It was such a beautiful boutique and they also had a very good selection of items. I thought that since it was in Oslo and since many of the luxury stores in Norway don't have that great selection of items, I thought that Chanel would be not that great. But it turned out to be such a beautiful and good boutique. I really love the selection. It was very good and I was so surprised. So if you are visiting Oslo, I really suggest you to go and check out the new Chanel boutique. And as usual, I also shop at Hermes and also Dior Beauty. So the first things that we are going to start with is from Dior Beauty. And this was kinda restock of my favorites. So the first thing that I bought was this Hydra Life Fresh Sorbet Water Mist. This is something that I use twice a day, every day, before I put on my skincare. This is just a perfect refreshing spray. You can use it over makeup, but you can also use it before you do your makeup and skincare. I really love it and I couldn't wait until I came home and filmed this video before I opened it and started using it because I needed restock of it. So that's the reason why it isn't in the packaging, but it is very good. I really recommended this one. Another thing is something that I have wanted for quite some time, and this is kind of like a face roller. I use this whenever I'm putting on my skincare and it feels just so good. You can put this one in the freezer and it will cool down your face, and yeah, I really love it. I couldn't wait with this one either because I was so excited to try it out. So therefore it isn't in the packaging, but I can say that it is very good. I use this one twice a day, every day, and yeah, I'm very happy with it so far. So that was the things that I got from Dior Beauty. I also got a lot of freebies, but I have shown that so many times now and it wasn't something new that you haven't seen before. So therefore I decided not to show it. However, when we are talking about Dior Beauty, in Oslo they have quite recently opened for spa treatments, and when I was in Oslo I tried the micropeeling. We were the first paying customers, but it was just so good and my skin feels very glowy and I really love how my skin looks after it. It is something that I am going to continue to do whenever I'm in Oslo. So that was also something that I would like to mention. And now let's move on to Hermes. So the first thing that I got from Hermes, this is a gift from my essay, is some perfume samples, and this is the Eau de Rhubarbe École, I think it is called. It is a perfume that one of my subscribers tipped me about checking out, and I smelled it in the boutique and I really love it, so I asked my essay if he had some samples of it so I could try it on. And I just have to say that this perfume is very good. I really love it and yeah, I'm very happy about the tip. And while we are talking about perfume, I have to show you the first thing that I got from Hermes, and it is the perfume in the big bottle because I got the samples, I think it was a few days before I went and bought it because I had to try it on if it was something that I could wear, and it was something that I really like to wear. So therefore I bought it in the full size bottle. So here is the perfume. The bottle looks very cool. And I just really love the fresh and a little bit summery scent in this perfume. I think this one is going to be very great for spring and summer. So that was the first thing that I got from Hermes. I think this one is my third perfume from Hermes. I have the Twilly in the ginger version, and I also have the baby perfume. And now I have this one, so yeah. And moving on to another item that I got from Hermes. I couldn't stop with the perfume, and therefore I went and got this one. So let's open it up. And of course I got the body butter in the same scent, and this one just looks so cool. I really love the design. So here is the body butter. It is quite soft and it melts easily down into the skin, and it just smells so good. I'm very happy about it, and yeah, it is just such a good and nice scent. I really love it, and I also really love the design of the jar. Here you can see the details. It says Hermes Paris, and it is in this aluminium kind of container. So yeah, and now let's move on to some other things that I got from Hermes. This is something that I haven't gotten before, not in this category or anything like it, and yeah. So let's open it up. So this is my new Hermes towel. This is, I think it is the medium size or the small. It is just a hand towel type of size, as you can see. It is the white one, and here are the details. You can see it has H all over it, and yeah. I'm very happy with my purchase. I really needed some new hand towels, and these are just so soft and stylish at the same time. So I had to just get them when my essay said he had them, and yeah. And moving on to the last item from Hermes. Let's open it up. And of course I had to get one for my boyfriend as well. I couldn't get only one for me, so therefore I went and got one for him as well. It has the same design, same size, and yeah. I'm very happy with them. Here you can see the back of it. It has kind of like a plain back, and on the front it says H. And yeah, I'm very happy with my Hermes purchases. They had something that I also really wanted. They had some shoes that I have been eyeing for a bit, but I didn't end up buying them. And my essay also got the Twilly that I really wanted, but I tried it on the Baton Birkin and it didn't fit as good as I hoped. So therefore I didn't end up buying them, because I really want them to be perfect, because now I have so many Twillys that I don't use, and I really need to consider it more before I buy them, because it isn't the greatest to have something laying on the shelf and you don't use them, even though it isn't a lot of money. But if you add up all the Twillys together, it is a decent amount of money. So therefore I'm more conscious about the Twillys that I'm buying now, and I'm not a Twilly girl, as you might know, so I didn't buy them. And now I'm trying to save a little bit money, because there is something very exciting happening, as I told you in the vlog, and the reveal is coming very soon, and I cannot wait to share it with you guys, because it is a big change. And yeah, moving on to Chanel, and let's start with the freebies first. So here is the first freebie that I got. Here it says Chanel Oslo, and I think it is a book, and it is the Chanel signatures. I think it is the tweeds and yeah, all the different ready-to-wear classics. Very nice gift. I don't know where I should put it yet, but it is very nice. And yeah. And I also got some perfume samples. I got the Le Lion and I also got the Gardenia. So here is the Le Lion and here is the Gardenia. These are some of the perfumes that I smelled in the boutique, because they also have perfume in the boutique, which is very nice because it is the only place in Norway that sells Chanel exclusives. And as you might know, I am very into perfumes, so that's a very good gift for me. And I just have to say that they are so nice at Chanel, both my essay but also the other essays. Everyone are just so nice and I look so forward to shopping more at Chanel, even though the prices are crazy high. Let's move on to the last item of this haul. So here is it in the bag, and here is the one thing that I got from Chanel. And if you are familiar with the packaging, you might know what it is, but let's open it up. So here is the box. And let me present to you my new Chanel perfume. This is my first Chanel perfume ever, but this is a scent that I have been trying a lot. I tried on when I was in Copenhagen and also when I was in Paris. And it has been a scent that I really love, so therefore I just went and got it. And it is just such a perfect everyday scent. It isn't too strong, but it is noticeable if you wear it. And I really love it. I really love the notes. And yeah, that was the thing that I got from Chanel. And as I told you, I'm trying to save a little bit, so therefore I didn't go crazy at Chanel. But if I was not limiting myself, I think I would have gone really crazy at Chanel, because they had so many things that I wanted, especially the t-shirt. I really love it, but the price, I think it is a little bit expensive for a t-shirt. It is around 2,000 euros, and for me it is kinda a little bit expensive for a ready-to-wear piece. So therefore I didn't got it. And also the shoes, I really wanted to go crazy because, as you also know, I really love shoes. But I didn't go crazy, and I'm so proud of myself for not doing that, because it was the biggest temptation ever. And yeah, I'm so happy with my new Chanel perfume. I really love it. It is such a perfect perfume, and also I am going to use this as a decoration piece because the bottle is just so nice. And also, if you have followed me for a while, you know that I have the body oil. So the body oil and this one has the same design and the same size, so I will probably pair them together. So that was my haul for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. What was your favorite item of this haul? Let me know in the comments. I'm very curious to hear that as well. And hopefully in the future I will buy a lot of nice things at Chanel, but also Hermes. I'm really happy with my purchases. And yeah, if you haven't checked out my Instagram, be sure to do so, because I'm soon at 10k and I'm probably going to do a giveaway when I reach 10,000 followers. So be sure to check out my Instagram and follow me as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you're not done watching me yet, here is another video, and goodbye.